Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So I talk a lot about the importance of impact and value add on the resume. And I talk about how that can be a differentiator for you as an executive when you're applying for a position, because many executives will have similar skill sets and similar experience to each other when applying for a job. So how do you show impact and value add on your resume? How do you make yourself different than your competition? So a very popular methodology for doing this is actually called STAR. It's an acronym, STAR or SAR. And this stands for situation, task, action, and result. Now, I have a little bit of an issue with this because of the result part. See, in STAR and SAR methodology, the result is at the end. And I think the result statement, the impact statement, should be at the beginning of the statement, at the beginning of the bullet point, at the beginning of the sentence. I think it's more impactful that way. And it's also important to note that with using result, a lot of executives will go for or think of personal accomplishments like awards or a degree they earned or something that they find they're very proud of personally. And that's great. And that definitely has its place on the resume. But I think that impact and the way you benefit a company, the way you improve the company is actually more important than personal accolades. Impact goes to how you improved the company you worked for. Now, that can mean both a result of hard and soft skills. Both hard skills and soft skills can bring about benefits. And you're going to want to talk about how both your hard skills and your soft skills brought that impact. Specific ways that you can show impact on the resume are how you increased revenue, how you increased sales, how you improved teamwork, how you improved communication, and how you improved a process or even a project, or how you made sure that the company was adhering to policy. All of these are possible value add and benefits that you can bring to a company. So my methodology is actually called Google XYZ, and it's called that because Google Human Resources took this specific method and actually codified it, as Google does with many things. So they codified it into Google XYZ, and the Google XYZ methodology is the statement of impact followed by how you created that impact. It's much simpler than STAR or SAR. It's statement of impact followed by how you created that impact. So for example, if you increase sales, you could say, increase sales 30% by hiring more regional managers in active areas in the United States. Something like that is fine. So the simpler the statement, the easier it is to read, and sometimes those simpler statements are more impactful. So I hope this was helpful to you in showing you how you can really make strong impact statements on your resume. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description, and I'll be glad to talk to you further about all of this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.